Lot 665 is a
Star of the show.
2024 Ferrari SF90 Spider Assetto Fiorano, offered without reserve and from the Lone Star Estate Collection. This is an ultra-exclusive all-wheel drive hypercar with an eye-watering $252,000 in options, plus the $80,000 carbon fiber Ferrari wheels, so over $300,000 in options. It has a 986 horsepower engine that does 2.1 seconds for a 0 to 60, but many people say the 0 to 60 is closer to 1.8 seconds.
This is, yes, John's just telling me all the options. It's incredible.
Man, Elliot, talk about the belle of the ball. This SF90, I mean, I'm speechless.
This has been one I've been excited about. We've been leading up to it. This is a special car. In fact, it's my favorite modern Ferrari. I can say that with authority. This is the SF90 Spider. This is a hybrid supercar. And with that, you get a twin turbo V8 and an electric motor to drive the front wheels, making it effectively all-wheel drive. And all of that combination equates to almost 1,000 horsepower, sub 2 second, 0 to 60 times. This is an absolute hypercar. But beyond those impressive figures, this particular SF90 is very, very special. It's incredibly highly optioned, over $252,000 just in options. I'm talking house money in options. It's absolutely wild. This is the highest spec one they've probably ever made. In fact, there's a little plate under the hood that lists all of the options a car has, and this one had to have a second one added to list all of the options. This is a significant car, and it's brand new. This is a 2024. This is the only way you can get one of these right here at Auburn Auctioneers.
$750,000, the only 24 available. Had to get special permission from the president of Ferrari to allow the car to be sold. You will be the only person with one of these when you get it. They were all sold out, all 599 when they built them, all sold out. If you want one, this is your only chance right here, right now. And I got 700, 750, 750,000, 750,000, 750,000. That's 7 I am bid, no reserve and selling. That's 700,000, 750,000. That's 700,000. I will sell it. Pay attention. I will sell the car. That's 700 I am bid. 750,000, 750,000. That's 700 I am bid. 750,000. 700 on the telephone with Brian. 700 I am bid. 750,000. 750 there if you like 725. 725, Brian at 750. 750, 750, 750, 725, 750, 750. At 725 a bid, 750,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I sell the car at 725, 750,000. At 725, 750. At 750. Triple R at 725, 750,000. 750,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I sell the car. It's going to go back to Texas at 725, 750,000. At 750,000. At 725, 750. At 750,000. At 725, 750. Does anyone else want to bid? Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to sell it. We're going to sell it right now at 725, 750,000. You couldn't duplicate it. You can't buy one for $1 million if you want. But we're going to sell it right here, right now. 750 I am bid. 775. 775. 775,000. World class, one of the greatest cars in the world at 775. 750 I am bid. 775. Anybody else? At 775 for the first time. I sell the car, no reserve, at 775 for the second time. At 775 for the third and final time. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big hand. I have sold 750,000, sold 750,000.